you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video, look where we are right now. We're in our backyard. So I decided to cook fish curry. This is like mainly South Indian fish curry. All right guys, so before that I spoke to Ram's mom, and she was trying to explain to me how she cooked fish curry. My husband translated, and I was like, okay, I think I have to do this. So this is the reason why I'm doing this video. Wanted to kind of represent her cooking style. This is all her idea. So this fish is called kanangaleti, if I say right. In English they call it microfish. Yeah, so that's what it is.
That's too big.
It is huge. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Kayal, how big it is, Kayal?
Giant size.
Giant size, huh?
This is like a first time cooking in the backyard here in the back of our house, and I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a clay pot right here. I never used this clay pot before. I tried to like burn it so that way it can be ready to be used, and that's why it's kind of a little bit dark inside. And also this is what I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna use electricity. I'm gonna use charcoal as a cooking. So this is like a home style, and I really cannot wait to taste this food, because if you ever tried this before, you can tell the difference between cooking on a stove and cooking on a charcoal. So let's get into the video right now. All right guys, so I want to share a little bit of what I have here. I have a turmeric powder right here, and got salt. This is coriander powder, and this one is chili powder. Here we have a mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, and then here we have chili, and here we have a curry leaves. Tell me about this. Is tamarind, is that what it is?
It gives a sour taste.
Wow.
Not sour.
So it kind of make the soup taste delicious.
Yeah.
All right, so I am going to cut the onions right now. Right.
It's too hot, huh?
It's super hot outside.
What are you gonna do, Kayal?
Kyle is watching.
Yeah, I'm just gonna watch.
Kyle is just watching.
Burning my eyes.
It's burning your eyes?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Right.
Alright guys, so இது மாதிரி பண்ணிக்கணும். இது எங்கள் அம்மா ஸ்டைலு. சின்ன வெங்காயம் போட சொன்னாங்க. சின்ன வெங்காயம் இங்கே கிடைக்குது. நாங்கள் இருக்கிற ஏரியாவில் கிடைக்கல. இந்தியன் ஸ்டோர் கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப தள்ளி இருக்குது நாங்கள் இருக்கிற பக்கத்தில். அதனால வந்து பெரிய ஆனியன் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ நான் டொமேட்டோவை சின்னதாக கட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஸோ கார்லிக் வந்து ஒரு 2-3 பல் எடுத்து வச்சுக்குவோம் கார்லிக்கு. So I'm just helping my wife to cut the onions, and tomatoes, and of course the fish. So while she's cooking, I want to see her. If she needs any help, I can help her too.
Guys, thank you so much, honey, for helping me. The reason why I told Ram to help me out, because he's faster on cutting onions and tomatoes and all garlic together. Yeah, he's really fast. All right, guys, so I'm using gingerly oil right here, if you can see it. So yeah, this oil, I love it. I like it. I have used it a couple times in a different dish. And yeah, and you can see it's product from India. So I've been using this with dosa, and it's perfect. I love it. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that I have a nice place for this clay pot to sit. All right, it should be good. And now we're gonna put the clay on top of it. All right, so we are gonna put oil. I'm not gonna use a lot. I just put the oil right now, and it's getting ready. I'm gonna start with mustard seed, so we should be ready to go. This is different. I'm like, wait a minute. Oh my God, Kyle, it smells really good. Oh my God. Yeah, this is really good. Guys, so look at this. I'm have to wait until the onion is golden brown. I'm gonna cover right now. All right, guys, let's see how it comes out. Wow, look at this, guys. So I'm adding tomato right now. This is coriander powder, turmeric powder, and then red chili powder. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit water. Cooking outside is challenge. When you are inside the kitchen in a house, everything is close to you. The water is right there, everything is close here. But now outside, this is really challenge. I'm like, where's the water? Where's the salt? Where's everything? But the main thing is, look how the soup is becoming. I just added water right now, and I'm just gonna let it sit for like about 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm gonna be focusing here, mashing the tamarind in the water. There's something about the tamarind. In my country, we really don't use this. This is really new to me. I never used this at all, but you know, and like I said before, all this is Ram's mom's idea, and I love it, and I can't wait to test this right now. So, all right. So as you guys can see, I just pour tamarind water, and if I need more salt, for sure I will add it more. I think that's perfect.
So I'm just gonna clean it for my wife.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time.
Yeah, it's ready, baby.
All right, guys, so I'm back here again. So Appa helped me cutting the fish. We're cleaning up really quickly, and now the fish is ready, and it's really great size right now. And now let's see. Oh, look at this.
Wow, looks good, Kyle.
It really looks good. Kyle, this is the first time she experiencing us cooking outside in the backyard. So, all right. This is my exciting part. Ooh, look at this.
Wow! You're putting this inside the clay clock?
Clay pot.
I mean clay pot.
Yes.
Say pana. One pana.
Oh, it fits really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover that. Give it about 7 to 10 minutes, and we'll come back and check it out. All right, guys, so I'm back. It's almost 10 minutes, and now we are here. I'm here to check the fish Kulambu, and Meen Kulambu. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, wow. This is looking really good.
Looking good, smells good.
Looking good.
Oh, look at this. It's really nice. I'm gonna test right now to see if salt is good enough. And I'm cooking fufu right now, so we are gonna eat Meen Kulambu with fufu. Oh my God, this is really delicious.
I have to say that, honey.
No, I have to say this. This is really good.
I have to say it because you cooked.
Let me get another spoon for you.
The fish curry. Look why it still is boiling.
It's boiling, I'm
Because
telling
of the heat, you know, because of the pot.
The clay pot is already heat. It's hot.
I mean, it looks like it's not hot, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you guys. Look at this, how hot it is.
Damn, it's red.
So that's why it's boiling, look. So it's super hot, guys.
All right, guys, so The fish is ready, still boiling right
No,
now.
don't wanna
Look at
overcook,
this.
honey.
No, we cannot overcook it, so we have to remove it right now from the charcoal, and I'm gonna put it right here so that way it won't cook too much. You know, we wanna make sure that the fish looks
Boiling.
perfect. I love this. Wow.
Yeah, we can come and eat when the food is ready, right?
Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and cook ugali right now. So we're gonna come back and try with the fish curry. I can't wait. This is amazing. So I'm gonna put this away so that way Kyle won't walk around on it.
You can close it too.
Yeah, I'm gonna remove this out too and clean it up this areas, and we'll come back and try the
Yeah.
Meen Colombe. Meen Colombe?
Yeah, Meen Colombe.
Meen Colombe.
Yeah, let me see. What do you say? What is that?
Meen Colombe.
Meen Colombe.
Wow. My wife did amazing job, guys. You guys can see here. Wow, look at this, guys. You guys can see nice. Oh, wow, look at this, guys.
The fish came out
good.
really good.
Yeah, look at this. What are we
Really?
going to eat with?
Fufu.
Fufu.
Ugali.
Ugali.
Kyle like
love
fufu.
ugali. I know I'm holding Kyle. I don't want to break it, but I want to first.
Oh, you know, also the fish, it's a good.
The second day is the day that you feel the deliciousness. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel delicious.
this.
Put
Yeah.
the soup in. Put the soup in.
Look at that, guys. Ooh.
So,
Yeah.
Ugali with
Ugali.
samaki. Ugali na samaki. It's a little bit spicy, but Kyle is gonna try. No. It's spicy for Kyle. Go drink water. So honey, tell me how is everything? I'm testing. So my husband is now vegan, but he has to test.
I'm not
the soup.
100% vegan. You know, 100% vegan, you cannot eat sugar, you cannot eat honey, you cannot like fish stock
Yeah.
or chicken broth.
Right? But you're still gonna test the fish.
Yeah,
right?
I'm gonna taste the fish curry. The Meen Kulambu நான் taste பண்ண போறேன், but not the fish. So I know how it's gonna taste. So that's good. But first time,
It's good. I love it. It came
know
out
the
really
fish-
good.
the fish soup is always, fish curry is always, when you make it, like my wife say, the next day is more
That's the
good.
time it tastes really, really delicious.
It's
but-
spicy, good spicy.
Yeah, Kyle couldn't handle the spicy, so
Yeah, it's a good spicy actually.
I like it.
No,
Really,
it's a little
really
bit
nice.
watery too. I think we need to keep it more. I don't know why. You like this?
I like it like this.
Yeah, I like it too. Yeah.
Like I said, tomorrow is gonna be different.
Yeah, tomorrow is gonna be good, and also
It's a really great experience. All this idea was Ram's mom. This came out really, really good.
Nandri atta.
Nandri atta. This was a perfect idea, and I wanted to share this with everyone.
I need a little bit salt, but it's good.
Salt, you can add it anytime.
Yeah.
But other than that, everything looks good. Cooking outside
Challenging.
it's really challenging because here in the United States we are used to cook in a house most of the time. Everything is close to you, water is close to you. Like you can grab anything, whatever, it's close to you quickly. But when you're outside, you're like missing things. You have to go back inside the house. You have to go grate this and that. So if it's really challenging, at the end everything came out really good.
Yeah, I really like it. The taste is good. The
Yes.
texture is good. எங்கள் அம்மாவுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி சொல்லிக்கிறேன் அந்த ரெசிபிக்கு எங்கள் ஒய்ஃபு கொடுத்ததுக்கு. எங்கள் அம்மா அந்த கெளுத்தி மீன் போட்டு பண்ணுவாங்க, அது செம்மையாக இருக்கும்.
செம்மையாருக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி.
ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. நல்லா வந்திருக்கு, சூப்பராக வந்திருக்கு. I really like it. Like my wife said, cooking or eating outside in the backyard is challenging. Look at this, a lot of flies. And we usually do grilling part, you know, sometimes like grilled chicken. If you wanted to do barbecue chicken, we do in the backyard.
Right.
But you don't need anything already marinated. you just grill them. That's it.
That's
a
it.
barbecue.
Yeah, but this
By
we started
here,
from scratch.
From scratch, it's really hard. But anyway, guys.
All right, guys. So the weather is really acting up. It looks like it's about to rain. So we're just gonna close up with this video. Thank you so much for helping. That was the best. You help out.
Yeah, I helped, but she made it happen. I really like the fish curry. Meen Kulambu came out really good, especially on the manpanela pandrapa. Inna vandu flavor, increased.
Yeah. I can taste.
And also
that.
we cooked in charcoal. Thank you so much, baby. The fish curry came out. Meen Kulambu came out really good.
Thank you, honey.
Guys, if you guys like this video,
leave a thumbs up.
And please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family.
And we are going to hit 100K, guys.
Road to 100.
Click that button.
Subscribe button. Yep.
See you guys in the next video.
Bye.